This pin was created automatically. No design, no manual posting, just a single row in a Google Sheet. To get this running, you need a Make.com account, an OpenAI API key, and a Pinterest business account. One-time setup takes about 15 minutes. Simply add a new sheet row, describe the image you want, enter a main and secondary keyword, set the status to pending, and you're done. Make.com picks up the row, sends it to OpenAI, generates the image, writes the title and description, and posts it to Pinterest. About 60 seconds later, your pin is live. The title and description are optimized using the primary and secondary keywords. The alt text is automatically generated from the prompt. The prompts used for this can be customized in the configuration module. You can add as many rows as you want to your Google Sheet. In Make.com, you can set the schedule, choose how many rows to process at once, and define the interval between runs. Each processed row is automatically marked as done. Plan as many pins as you want in one sitting and let the automation take care of the rest.